Hello my loves. If you are like me, with small eyes, high cheekbones, and skin that isn't always perfectly smooth, we're going to create a clean base that's perfect for a cherry red makeup look. Start by misting your face with a glowy prep spray. Next, apply a thin layer of blue-toned primer to color correct and brighten your complexion. A solid base is essential, plus, maintaining that natural radiance is great for boosting your good luck energy. For foundation, I'm using a gorgeous long-wear formula with a skin-adhering soft glow finish that looks incredibly high-end. The texture is as fine as a mousse. Use a spatula to spread a small amount smoothly across the skin, then use a damp sponge to tap the product in vertically. This ensures you don't disturb your primer. Despite the lightweight feel, the coverage is impressive. A single thin layer blurs pores and imperfections with a soft focus effect. Make sure to check the corners of the nose and mouth for any creasing, and lightly sweep leftover product over the eyelids. The result is a luxurious, lit from within glow that never looks cakey, even up close. I'm adding liquid highlighter to my forehead, nose, and the center of my face for extra dimension. Just remember to build it up slowly. Follow the same rule for contour. Blend it on the back of your hand first, then apply to the brow bone, forehead, hollows of the cheeks, jawline, and nose. Use a sponge to tap the product in evenly to avoid any patchiness. Use a muted taro purple liquid blush for that lucky and lively vibe. Sweep it horizontally across the center of your face. If you want more intensity, layer a second shade and use a larger sponge to diffuse the color outward, bringing it slightly under the eyes and across the bridge of the nose for a seamless, healthy flush. Set your base lightly with a translucent powder. Next, take a peach-toned blush and sweep it horizontally across the outer apples of your cheeks, blending inward toward the center of the face. When contouring the nose, keep it focused on the bridge without hitting the eyebrows. I like to draw a little U and double C on the tip to really snatch it. Pop some highlight on the center of your face and the inner corners to brighten everything up. For the shadows, start with a dusty pink base. Then, use a pink-brown to carve out your aiguille. It might look a little intense at first, but trust the process. Finish the eyes by using a dark brown shadow as liner. Extend it outward and connect it to the lower lash line to give the eyes a beautiful, elongated shape. Apply double eyelid tape to adjust the eye shape if needed. Use a light rose-colored gel eyeliner to define the lower lash line, slightly connecting it at the outer corner. Then highlight the aiguille horizontally. Next, apply individual cluster lashes. You don't need to place them too densely. Add one at the center of the eye, then space them out slightly toward the inner corner. I placed mine pretty sparsely, but it makes the eyes look more lively and expressive. For the lower lashes, combine two styles. Since we'll be doing bangs later, we'll keep the brows simple. Just brush through with a soft pink-toned brow mascara. It's very easy to use. For highlight, use a slightly pink-toned shimmer. It's super sparkly. Apply it to the nose bridge and tip, and even a bit over the blush and lips so everything ties together. Define the lips with a lip liner. Then apply a nude peachy pink lip gloss. After applying, use a sponge to clean up the edges around the lips. Add a small beauty mark for detail. Apply hairline shading powder, especially around the temples, to enhance the face shape. For the hair, section it first, then apply hair oil. Add volume to the crown. Curl both sides the same way. Use a flat iron to style the bangs and blend the sides. Finish with a hairstyling stick to smooth flyaways and add shine. Immediately set everything with hairspray. And you're done. Your full lucky, rich girl New Year makeup look is complete.